Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'll show you the latest update of Winklink coin friends. Do this fast, otherwise you lost friends. Keep watching this video till the end and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. So friends, the talk is that a lot of people personally message me at this time live on Instagram that what should we do at this time friends. The price falling of the Wincoin price falling starts. What should we do at this time friends? Kindly make a decision for us friends. So friends, finally I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, because I can't reply everyone personally friends, as you can see here friends. So keep watching this video till the end friends. First of all, we talk about the current situation, the current condition of Winklink coin. After that we make a decision that what should we do. Now friends, the current price of the Wink coin is about 0.001353 USD dollar is the current price of Wink coin friends. If we talk about the price change occur in the Wink coin, so the last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change as negative, last 1 week change as positive friends. That's mean that the farming period of the Wincoin starts now in the last 1 hour friends. As I told you that a lot of people personally message me at this time, that is why I decided to make a video. So friends, now let's see the price prediction chart of the Wincoin at this time friends. Oh my god, what's going on in a Wincoin friends? As you can see here, that is the last 4 hour price prediction. That's mean that the previous last 4 hour the price falling of the Wincoin starts now, because if you look the previous last 4 hour price change, so the last 4 hour price change is negative 0.64% friends. So that is why a lot of people personally message me. Oh my god, it's really a serious issue, serious matter friends. Don't worry, I can handle it friends. Now if you look the price chart of the Wincoin, so as you can see here, there's two possibilities. Maybe it's due to the start of a new monthly fast down, and maybe due to the technical analysis. If we do a technical analysis of the Wincoin, so let's suppose there is a support line friends, and that is a resistance line friends. Take a jump fast down friends, then after this take a jump friends. Or the another talk is that maybe this fast occurs due to the start of a new month. As you know, today is the third day of a new month friends, and a lot of cryptocurrencies fast down due to this reason friends. So we can't say that exactly that the Bitcoin fast down due to the new month friends. There is two possibility. The one possibility as technical analysis friends, as I show you, and the second possibility as to due to the start of a new month friends. Anyways friends, what's the decision we make at this time friends? It is clear for all of us that friends, if we look the price change occur in a Wincoin, so negative 0.64% change occur in the Wincoin in the last 4 hours friends, as I told you. That's mean that the farming period of the Wincoin now starts now friends. So as you know, if you're a holder of Wincoin holders, if you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies market, so you should know that the cryptocurrencies decision not make only in the last 4 hour, last 1 hour. They make you, they take a months, they take a day, days, and they take a weeks friends. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, so invest for a day, invest for a month, invest for a week, not for a 1 hour, not for a 2 hour friends. And friends, now it's time to decision. So the decision, my personal experience is that it's time to hold Wing coin at this time friends. Please hold your coin with the last half this month friends. I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the last half this month friends. What's your opinion about Wing coin? Please share in the comment box friends, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. And if you have any type of question, so please comment me, I will try to answer your question.